Hello guys, today we will learn affected underscore rows function, and it is a function of PHP MySQL. It's return a number of rows that are affected by our query. Now I am writing a select query under query function and call this function by MySQL connection object, and MySQL connection object defined by $connection. Then call the affected underscore rows function by MySQL connection object and set in the variable. Now echo or print this variable and close the MySQL connection by calling the close function. Now execute this code and let's see the output. This number of the row are affected by this query, and affected row means this particular row is read or added or modified or deleted. Similarly, we can also use it in the insert, update and delete query. And if we are using the procedure style, then we use the MySQL underscore query function, and the syntax will be MySQL underscore query function. Under first parenthesis, we use MySQL connection object and query, and the query will be insert, update, select, etc. Then we call the MySQL underscore affected underscore rows function, and under the first parenthesis, we used MySQL connection object, and echo this function. It will show the affected row. Then call the MySQL underscore close function. Before we end this session, please like this video, and if any query, then let me know in the comment. Thank you everyone for stay with me.